I have my hair deep conditioning with this Kristin Ess Reconstructive Moisture Mask. Now we're going to use our Kristin Ess leave-in conditioner. We're going to apply this Kristin Ess blow dry mist, and I'm also going to apply this Kristin Ess working serum. Yeah, it's all about Kristin Ess today. I have my hair deep conditioning with this Kristin Ess Reconstructive Moisture Mask. It's said to let it sit for 5 minutes in the shower, or you can do longer by putting a cap over it. So it's been longer than 5 minutes, but I'm about to color my hair. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. And it's got like a clean, slight perfume scent. And I'm like, it's nothing overbearing. And so if I couldn't smell the clean part of the scent, it may be because it does have a perfumey scent, but it's a mixture of clean and perfume. So the balance is nice. It went on my hair, glided so smoothly. But this says this is for all hair types, moisture reviving, strand softening, deeply nourishing, sulfate free, zip up technology. On the back, it has a tip which says to use this once a week for extra shine and softness, and for a more intense treatment, apply, then cover with a plastic shower cap and allow to stay on for up to an hour, then rinse well. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out, color my hair, and then I'll come back and finish with my styling. All right, so I just rinsed out that conditioner and my hair strands feel like silk. They feel so smooth. So yes, I like the conditioner. I will be getting that conditioner again. I will be adding it to my hair care regimen. And my hair doesn't get just too tangly, but this feels really nice. My hair feels really nourished and pampered and moisturized. So I'm gonna go ahead and color, and then I'll come back and finish the styling. All right, and for anyone wondering what I use to color my hair, I use this red quick color shampoo. I like it because it's natural and it's better for my hair, being that it's relaxed. That's what I use to color my hair. All right, so we got the color all rinsed out. Look at that shine. Now we're going to use our Kristin Ess leave-in conditioner. It is a weightless shine for all hair types, detangling, softening, and strengthening, moisture sealing, shine enhancing. I absolutely love this stuff. Kristin Ess leave-in conditioner, my new staple. I put this on, and I don't even have to put on any mousse or anything like that. And this is what I get. I have nothing else in my hair. I mean, do you see the shine? I could just go out the door with it looking like this. No mousse, no oil. Matter of fact, my daughter used it on one of her daughter's hair, and she said, oh my goodness, what is that stuff? She was like amazed at how well it detangled her hair. And like I say, I don't have much detangling, but I'm just impressed at how soft it leaves, and it just makes for a really good leave-in. And I like that it's a spray. Sprayed a little in my eye, but I like that it's a spray. So this has a perfumey scent too. It's kind of similar to the leave-in conditioner, but it's like a mix of freshness and perfume. So it's not like too overbearing with the perfume. So I typically like to have a part in my head. Let me raise this up, guys. It just looks better with the part for me. I'm kind of wanting to do this style. I saw that and I'm like, ooh, that's cute. So my hair was in need of a trim. I did trim it and I cut it. Go ahead and spray a little bit more now that I have it styled the way I want it. We're going to apply this Kristin Ess blow dry mist. All right, so this blow dry mist is ultra lightweight, split in smoothing, shine enhancing, cuts drying time, and it's a heat protectant up to 450 degrees. I have used this when I flat ironed my hair. It did really good and it left a nice shine. I'm going to go ahead and apply it because I'm going to sit under the dryer. And I'm also going to apply this Kristin Ess working serum. Yeah, it's all about Kristin Ess today. Look at that shine. My goodness. Apply that all over our head because we're going to go sit under a dryer. You know what? I don't even think I need this yet. So I'm going to wait until after it's dry. Okay, so I didn't realize that this working serum was to be used on wet hair, but when you look here on the back, it says this was created to be used on wet hair, but I also use a drop or two to run through finished hair to tame puffiness, creating more of a second day look. Apply a pea-sized amount between your palms and rub them together. Work into towel dried hair, focusing on the ends. Blow dry or air dry as desired. And then it says tip for additional shine and separation. Add another drop or two once the hair is dry. So you can use this on either wet, damp, or dry hair. And then we'll apply this, so we're just going to see how this does. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. I didn't sit under the dryer as long as I wanted to. Matter of fact, I barely sat under it. So it is dry though. Go ahead and style it because I'm trying to have it look like that. And apply this working serum. Okay, so that's what we're gonna try to do. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and apply some more of this because we're about to flat iron. Using my Turvix. All right, so as you can see, I'm just grabbing pieces of my hair and curling it. Sometimes I will take the time to part it and, you know, be more strategic in what I'm doing, but we kind of in a rush right now, so just stay with me. I promise it's gonna look better than what it appears to be looking like right now. Getting there.
No, not really.
So it's not entirely like the picture.
You think?
Let me try to curl that a little bit better. So even though you see the smoke, guys, it is not frying my hair. There is no sizzle.
That includes the regular season and playoffs. Their defense has made it tough on Boston. And not only
And just look at the shine it produces. This Kristin Ess blow dry mist. All right, so even though my bangs have grown out, I realized that they are not long enough to create this style identically. These Kristin Ess products, I mean, what's left to be said? Just try them.